If you have ever wondered what it actually means to own a share of a company, this breakdown is for you. At its simplest level, a share represents a tiny sliver of ownership in a business. When you buy a share, you are essentially buying one small piece of the company's total value. Holding shares can grant you specific rights, including the ability to vote on board members or receive cash payouts called dividends. Publicly traded shares are easy to buy and sell on stock exchanges, unlike private shares, which are much harder to trade. Share prices fluctuate based on investor demand, company performance, and broader economic factors that shift every day. Many investors prefer buying baskets of shares through index funds to avoid the risk of picking individual companies. Understanding shares is the first step toward building your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning.